Hey, good afternoon from AlphaCars, New Hampshire. My name's Tom. Today, I'm going to give you a look at this stunning 2015 BMW 640i xDrive Gran Coupe. I know that's a mouthful, but this car really speaks for itself. Stunning in the Alpine white finish, showing just under 36,000 miles. This is a one-owner vehicle. We do have a consistent service history on the car. They've cared for it both cosmetically and mechanically, as is evident when you walk around the vehicle. You see the M Sport 19-inch wheels showing no signs of curb rash. All of the black window surrounds, no scratching, no blemishes of any kind. Really looks awesome. I'll move over to the nose. See, even BMW's headlights carry some of that really great design language, but beyond that, they're still in great condition. Chrome kidney grills, looking beautiful. Minimal rock chipping in the front as well. While we're outside, I will hop in here and pop the hood for you. Show you the power plant. Just here is legendary BMW motor. This is their N55 3-liter twin-turbo straight 6, putting down around 315 horsepower and around 330 pound-feet of torque, which is a really impressive figure for an engine like this. Made it to a lightning-quick 8-speed automatic. Really can put the power down in any situation you may need, and really contributes to the great driving experience as well as the luxurious comfort. Now let's move inside, give you a sense of some of the options. Now this car is fitted with over $7,000 worth of options, or just under $7,000 worth. Now I'll show you the first one. You'll notice fitted with soft closed doors. You can see the Harmon Kardon tweeters mounted on the door. A really nice sound system, does a lot to contribute and complement the awesome driving experience of this car. There's nothing like some good music with the windows down in such a nice car. Moving through the interior, this is some gorgeous BMW design language. All the stitching is still got that nice white, bright glow to it. See all the leather's very supple, very soft to the touch. No cuts, marks, scrapes on the leather. You can see the passenger seat here with this black Dakota leather showing just about no wear whatsoever. This is in excellent shape. So now I'll start it up. The key is in my pocket, so all I have to do is foot on the brake, one touch of the start button, and it fires right up. You can see now, as you cycle through the sport and comfort modes, you do have a couple different configurable options in the gauge cluster. This is the sport mode. You can see a bit more aggressive, and then if you move down to the Eco Pro, see a more minimal design in the gauge cluster, designed to conserve fuel economy. So infotainment system here, classic BMW. You do have Bluetooth audio, navigation, backup camera, all the basics. Now looking down here, you can see as part of the factory options, we do have heated and cooled front seats. You also have a power telescoping and adjusting wheel, as well as a heated steering wheel controlled by that switch just there. You can see shift paddles on the wheel. Everything in this interior functions as it should. Suede headliner, going all the way down the A-pillars to meet the leather-wrapped dashboard and gauge cluster, and back onto the roof. You can see you have an automatic sunroof, one-touch operation using the switch located just there. Big panoramic sunroof really gives this car an open feel. It can open and tilt upwards as well. Little storage container just there, and a large storage section for the front passengers. Now, some of these factory options included the cold weather package, which includes the heated steering wheel. You also get heated rear seats, which I'll get to that in just a moment. Now, this is also the M Sport Edition, which features the soft closed doors that we covered, the Harmon Kardon sound system. You have full sunshades in the rear. They can be controlled in the front control setup or the rear. So just one touch of a button there, and I can raise the sunshade in the rear, and I'll show you in a moment. These side windows for the rear passengers also feature the sunshade functionality. Now, you do have the 4-zone climate control, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, and the heads-up display. So you can see there you get different messages displayed. So I'll zoom in for you. And it'll give you little messages like if the door is open, or different information which is configurable in the infotainment system. So now I'm moved into the rear, where some of these options are even more prevalent. Now, just appreciating the design of these rear seats. Very luxurious look, especially with your sunshades. Now keep in mind, I am 6'4". This front seat is mounted just about where it would be if I was driving the vehicle. And I still fit in the rear, just almost touching, but not even. So it really can accommodate just about anybody in this car, being the Gran Coupe variant. You can see my climate controls in the rear just here, rear heated seats as well. You do have an armrest that folds out. You can see the suede headliner. Have your dome lights, reading lights. Then you can see the suede B-pillars. Looks great back here. So there's plenty of room for just about anybody. You can see some of the aspects of this multi-contour seat. You can adjust shoulder height, bolster width, headrest adjustment. You can fold it around your head if it makes you more comfortable. An adjustable bolster underneath your thigh, so it's a very comfort-oriented interior, but you're still not going to sacrifice any of that BMW classic driving experience that you'd expect. Lastly, I'll just pop into the trunk. You can see the BMW logo is used as not only the backup camera housing, but also the trunk release. You can see a very spacious trunk to complement your four passengers in the vehicle. And you can fit just about anything in here. You could throw your golf bag. You know, really can accommodate any kind of lifestyle. This is a all-around pretty fantastic vehicle, any time of the year, anywhere you want to go. So if you've got any further questions, please reach out to Mike or Rodolfo in sales. They'd be happy to help you. We look forward to seeing you here at AlphaCars. It's been a pleasure. Thank you for your time.